Want glowing skin without using harsh chemicals? What if I told you that you can achieve radiant, healthy skin with natural ingredients straight from your kitchen? Today, we're diving into 5 powerful home remedies that will give your skin that natural glow you've always wanted, without any chemicals. So, let's reveal the secrets to glowing skin the natural way. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more health and beauty tips using natural ingredients. Let's face it, many skincare products on the market are loaded with chemicals that can do more harm than good. But guess what? You don't need fancy products to achieve that radiant glow. Let's explore 5 natural remedies that can make your skin look fresh, youthful, and luminous. Honey and lemon mask. First up, we have the classic honey and lemon mask. Did you know that honey is a natural humectant? It means it draws moisture into your skin, keeping it hydrated and soft. On the other hand, lemon is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that can lighten dark spots and improve skin tone. Here's how you do it. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Apply it to your face, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel instantly refreshed and look visibly brighter. Fun fact: studies have shown that vitamin C can increase collagen production, making your skin appear more youthful. Turmeric and yogurt mask. Next, we have a turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric is not just a spice, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory that can reduce redness and give your skin a natural glow. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. To make this mask, mix a teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply it evenly to your face, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then wash it off. This remedy can help reduce dullness and give your skin a beautiful, healthy glow. And did you know? Lactic acid has been used for centuries as a natural exfoliant, dating back to ancient Egypt. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is like nature's own skin healer. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, aloe vera helps to rejuvenate skin, reduce blemishes, and keep it moisturized. For an instant glow, apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your face and leave it on for about 20 minutes. It's especially effective if your skin feels dry or irritated. Interesting fact: aloe vera has been used in traditional medicine for over 6,000 years to treat skin conditions and improve overall skin health. Rose water mist. Another great way to keep your skin glowing is by using rose water as a natural toner. Rose water helps to balance the skin's pH, reduces redness, and can even tighten pores. It's gentle enough for daily use and can give your face a fresh look throughout the day. Simply spritz it on your face or use a cotton pad to apply it as a toner. Did you know that rose water was first discovered by ancient Persians and has been used for centuries in beauty rituals? Coconut oil massage. Last but not least, coconut oil can work wonders for your skin's glow. It's loaded with fatty acids that deeply moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and luminous. Plus, its natural antioxidants help to reduce the appearance of fine lines. Use a small amount of coconut oil and gently massage it onto your skin before bed. Leave it on overnight for best results. And here's a cool fact: research shows that coconut oil has natural antibacterial properties, which can help keep your skin free from acne-causing bacteria. Conclusion: so there you have it, 5 natural remedies to achieve glowing skin without relying on chemical-laden products. The best part, these remedies are simple, affordable, and effective. Remember, consistency is key for any skincare routine. So give these natural tips a try and watch your skin transform. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving natural beauty. Thanks for watching, and here's to radiant glowing skin.